Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Dodge Journey key fob. First, gather all the key fobs you intend to program, including 2 existing working ones. It's crucial that your vehicle's battery is fully charged for a successful process. Also, make sure all doors are securely closed. This do-it-yourself programming requires at least 2 functional key fobs to begin. To activate programming mode, insert your first working key into the ignition. Turn it to the run position, then immediately back to off. Remove this key within 15 seconds. Next, insert your second working key into the ignition and turn it to the run position. After about 10 seconds, the vehicle will chime, confirming it has entered programming mode. Then, turn the second key to off and remove it. Now, with the vehicle in programming mode, insert your new, unprogrammed key fob into the ignition. Turn this new key fob to the run position. You should observe the immobilizer warning lamp on your dashboard begin to flash. This flashing light confirms that your new key fob has been successfully programmed to your vehicle. This step usually takes only a few seconds. To finalize the process, turn the ignition to the off position and remove the newly programmed key fob. This action will exit the vehicle from programming mode. Now, it's time to test all your key fobs, including any original ones and the new one. Verify that all buttons, such as lock, unlock, and panic, function correctly. Congratulations, your key fob is now ready to use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.